So we got this 2008 Prius here. The client was working on it themselves and came in completely dead with just some really weird codes compared to what we normally see on a Prius. So comparing over here to the inverter, the cover is off. The system has been disabled. Enough time has been allowed for the capacitors to discharge. We checked it with a voltmeter to make sure that it is indeed dead. So I don't have high voltage gloves on because the system is disabled and I'm working with fine bolts where I can't use my high voltage gloves. So show them over here what's going on. So this, I unplugged this just because it was in the way, but these two orange cables were both not connected, which is totally why this vehicle is not running. So we're gonna get these hooked back up and then we will show you guys what it looks like correctly and we'll show you the vehicle running, so stay tuned.